Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this episode we want to find answers to questions under subtraction of fraction. So the first question, if you check carefully, you will see that the denominators are the same. So we call this one like fractions. It is easier to subtract what? Like fractions than unlike fractions. So the moment the denominators are the same, we pick them as 15. Then we subtract our 11 minus 9. So this is going to be 2, right? Out of what? 15. Upright. The moment your denominators are the same, you only go straight forward and do the subtraction of the numerator. So this will be our answer. Now, when you are subtracting unlike fractions, in the case of 2, you can see that the denominators are not the same. So it will also be easier or prudent on our side to convert our denominators to be the same by using LCM. Or we use the butterfly approach, as in this diagonal we are going to multiply. So this will multiply, this will give you what? 16. Then inside this you also multiply, and if you multiply you get what? 9. Now your denominators will be multiplied to get 24. Now your numerators are now going to be subtracted. So if you take away 9 from here, and that will give us 7. So we are going to have 7 out of 24 as the subtraction of this. Per the butterfly approach, the first diagonal you multiply, you put your hand down. Second diagonal, multiply. Subtract the two answers, then multiply the down. That is easy. Or you follow the approach of this by finding the LCM of this, which I think will still be what? 24. So taking my fraction 2 on 3 is going to be 2 times, when 3 goes into 24, that will be 8. So 8 over 3 times 8. So 16 over 24. If I want to convert them to have the same denominator. Then secondary, 3 over 8. When 8 goes into 24, it gives us what? 3. So 8 times 3 will still be 24. 9 over what? 24. So now your fractions has been created into a like fractions with the same denominator. So 16 over 24 minus 9 over 24. You see, this case, we only take the denominator 24. Then we take 16 minus 9. And that will still give us 7 out of what? 24. So we can convert into like fraction using the LCM, or we use the butterfly approach to arrive at our answer. When it comes to this, this is a mixed fraction. So this is the whole number part, fraction part, whole number fraction. The number we are seeing here is not multiplying. We are not going to say 6 is multiplying the fraction. No. If 6 were to be multiplying, it could be 6 times 2, 12 over 3, which will be wrong. We are adding this to this. It's a 6 whole number plus 2 over 3. Alright. So what you can do here is that you can also maintain your whole number, then the common fraction, you change them to an equivalent fraction or like fractions. What I mean is that I want to make the fraction to have the same denominator. So this is going to be 6. Making this to have the same denominator, our LCM will be 12. So 4 will multiply this to give you 8. 4 will multiply this to give you what? 12. Minus 1 whole number. This 3 will now multiply this. 9 times this, 12. So this is a 6 whole number minus one whole number. We can get an answer. Then this is going to be a fraction minus a fraction. But since they are the same denominators, I expect to have 8 minus 9, which will be a negative value. So I need to borrow from 6. Any number you will borrow from here will be if I borrow 1, it means I am borrowing 12 over 12. Let me take it again. If the denominator is 15 and I'm borrowing 1, it means I am borrowing 15 over 15, which is still 1. So if you borrow 1 from here, it's becoming what? 5. Then that 5 is going to be 12 over 12. I explained earlier on, they are not multiplying. They are adding. 5 whole number plus 12 over 12 will give you 6. Then we add that to our 8 over what? 12. I'm not here. I am still at the first part. So at the first part, I'll be having the whole number here. That is a 0 whole number. So I still have 5 whole number. This will be 20 over 12. So fast forward, 5 whole number, 20 over 12 minus 1 whole number, 9 over what? 12. I think this will be easy to divide, to subtract. Meaning 5 minus 1 plus, if I like, into bracket, 20 over 12 minus what? 9 over 12. Am I communicating? So this is going to be 4. This is going to be 12. This minus this. So 4 plus 11 over what? 12. 4 as a whole number here is going to be 4 whole number, 11 over what? 12. Somebody will say, okay, why not convert these fractions into improper fraction? As in 3 plus, so 3 times this, 18 plus this, 20 divided by our denominator 3 minus 4 times 1 plus 3, 7 over 4. You can see they are not the same. So we go for the LCM or butterfly approach. Multiplication give me 80. If I multiply, it gives me what? 21. So we are going to subtract. Then this will be multiplied to give us 12. So 81 minus 21, 80 minus 21 divided by 12. And I believe this will give us 59 over 12. How many of the 12 can we get there? We can get 4 of them, 48. So 4. 48 minus this will give us 11 out of 12. So we can convert them into improper fraction, use the butterfly approach, arrive at the answer, or take them as whole number on its own, fraction on its own. I believe the concept is well explained. If that is true, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.